The radar level meter emits millimeter wave radar with a measurement accuracy of up to 1 millimeter and a minimum blind area of 0.1 meters. With stronger penetrability, it can be used normally even if there is adhesion and condensation. A variety of measurement modes. The radar reaction time in the fast measurement mode is less than 1 second. With simple operation interface, it is more convenient to read data. A variety of lens antennas, smaller launch angle, more concentrated energy, stronger echo signal, under the same industrial and mining conditions, compared to other radar products have higher reliability. Products are widely used in dust interference, sewage foam, agitation interference, steam oil adhesion interference, high temperature measurement, corrosive liquid